Morning, everybody. So, well, it's almost noon, so yeah, it's still morning. I just want to show you guys what we're up to. I'm actually putting down the. You can see we're still getting steam cleaning temperatures, even though it is currently very snowy. Actually, the camera doesn't even show it that great, but I mean it's really coming down. And then there's our truck, and you can see where it's already melted all the snow, where the exhaust comes out from the machine. But I just want to show you guys what we're up to, and I'll show you here the difference. Let me hop up here on the stage. So right here is where I stopped cleaning. So over here has not been cleaned yet, and over here I did clean already. So you can see that line right there. Yeah. So even though it's cold and wintry out, we can still create high cleaning temperatures, and we clean year round. So if you need your carpets, upholstery, tile and grout, air ducts, anything like that clean, by all means give us a call and get on the schedule and get you taken care of. Boy, it's pretty bright outside. You can see it shining in. So yeah, hope you guys all have a fantastic and safe winter. And if you guys need us, give us a call. All right, thanks. 814-547-1848. Have a great one.